curiously found that my own right hand was thrust high in the air. The guys were happy I'd be the one. All we had to do now was wait and play as many shows as we possibly could. We joined the bill for a big New Year's Eve show at the Academy of Music, which later became the Pkwy. They were a bunch of bands, including Iggy Pop and Stooges, and a band called Flaming Youth, a name Paul later borrowed for a song. The headliner was Blue Oyster Cult. It was a very exciting time. I had a liaison with one of the girls in Flaming Youth, and I was in a rock band about to play its first show. We had yet to release our first album, and we had a half hour to go out there and do our stuff. We finally went on forth, and we just killed the crowd. We played with fury from the first explosion of the opening chord of Deuce. By the third song, Firehouse, the stage was covered by fog. Sirens were going off, flashing lights were blinding people, and the entire place was on its feet, fists pumping in the air. And if they thought they had seen it all, we would give them more. I emerged from the fog in full Kiss gear, carrying a sword with the hilt lit on fire and my mouth full of kerosene. I came to center stage and I spit out the kerosene. A huge ball of fire erupted out of my mouth, and the audience went nuts. I stood there, legs spread apart, soaking in the adulation. It was then that I smelled something burning. I had wanted to look extra cool on our opening night, so I sprayed extra hairspray on my hair so it would really puff out. Sean ran out and wrapped my head in a wet towel, and they went out of their minds. We came, we saw, and we damn well conquered. We were the sensation of the show, and a few weeks later, when a British magazine called Sounds published a New Year's roundup of shows across the world, they printed a picture of me. It wasn't exactly fame yet, but it was getting closer and closer. Audiences would scream when we came on stage. We would be recognized in the street, and sometimes we would even be recognized by girls. When I was a freshman in high school, there was a senior girl who was one of the most popular girls in school. She was in the student government and was the president of this club and a member of that society. She was so stunning that when she walked by, I'd lower my head, only to bring it up a second later to check out her lines. Everything about her spelled arousal. So I was walking down 42nd Street after Kiss had been around for 2 or 3 years, and everybody knew us, especially in New York. And I heard this squeal in back of me, and then this voice, Gene, it's me. It's me, it's me. I didn't recognize her at first, but then it came to me. She was still beautiful. I played it cool. Oh, I said. So you like the band? She nodded. Well, I have to go now, I said. You want to come over tonight? It was as simple as that. I'd love to, she said. And that night, I made up for all of those nights of imagined passion, being at Kiss, and its side benefits. Shout it out loud, on the road and on the rise, 1974, 1975. In February 1974, the Michael Quattro Band dropped out of a tour in Canada. Michael Quattro was the brother of Susie Quattro, who made a name for herself as a glam rock star. As a result of their sudden departure, we were named the replacement band on the tour. It was only a few cities, and small Canadian cities at that, but it was a real tour. And that meant everything to a band that had never been out of the New York area. Within a week, we were on tour. The first place we went was South Edmonton in Alberta, and I had my first authentic groupie, a girl with green hair. She didn't know who Kiss was. We were just a rock band. I grabbed her and she spent the night with me. I was in heaven. This girl was spending the night with me just because I was in a band. No courting, no relationships, no dates. No, what does it all mean? The very thing that women want out of a relationship is this kind of heaviness of life and meaning. All I wanted was no meaning. 24 hours of experiencing life with a warm female body. Early on, the other guys in the band would tease me for not being selected. They would say, she ain't so hot, boy. I